Punjab VAT. In this presentation, we will discuss updates of Punjab VAT during the month of April 2014. Highlights of updates. As we already discussed in our earlier presentations, various notifications passed during past few months due to which certain commodities have been brought under single stage taxation. In this video, we will discuss the impact of such notification in filing up of VAT 15 form. Public notice regarding filing of VAT 15 for quarter 4 of year 2013-14. During past few months, certain commodities have been brought under single stage taxation by notification numbers SO116, SO117 dated 13 December 2013, SO17 dated 21st February 2014 and SO23 dated 25th March 2014. Queries are being received from various quarters regarding filing up of VAT 15 form regarding these items. In this respect, following clarification are being issued. For first stage importers or manufacturers, the only effect of the above notification will be in their output tax liability. For this, it has been seen that in drop-down menu of rates, the new rates mentioned in Schedule E are not there. These new rates are being added to Schedule E and the worksheets, so that it is convenient for such dealers to work out their tax liability. Subsequent stage dealers, wholesalers, distributors, retailers. These dealers should opt the following procedure for filing their returns. Treatment of transitional stock. When the above mentioned notification are issued, the dealers were requested to declare their stock on the website of the department. So far as this stock is concerned, a worksheet is being created on the website of the department and linked with VAT 15. When the dealer opens this worksheet, he will fill the column of the worksheet. The dealer will be required to submit information regarding the stock sold by him and to pay tax on value addition at the old rate. This can easily be understood with the help of the following illustrations. Illustration 1. If a dealer had declared a stock of 6.05% goods of Rs 1 lakh on 1st March 2014 and during the month of March 2014 he has sold it for Rs 1,20,000, then he will be required to pay tax on Rs 20,000 at the rate of 6.05%. Illustration 2. In the above case, if the dealer sells stock worth Rs 60,000 only during the month of March 2014, then he will simply declare this stock and the balance stock in the worksheet. His tax liability will arise when he sells the entire stock during the future return periods. So far as the other stocks or sales of the dealers are concerned, his VAT 15 will be as earlier. A large number of items will be tax-free in his hands, so through his GTO remain in tune with his previous returns. But the quantum of his tax-free transaction will be higher and his TTO will be much lower. To take care of the tax liability on transitional stock as mentioned above, a row is being added in column 6 after row A in VAT 15 to reflect the tax on transitional stock. Slightly amended worksheet is being uploaded on the website shortly. The dealers who were affected by this change will be given extra time to file their returns. Worksheet for the wholesalers, retailers, distributors at subsequent stages dealing in commodities covered under single stage taxation. Name of firm, name of proprietor, partner, managing director, karta, authorized signatory, address, TIN number. Registration sense, nature of trade, declaration of stock of goods covered under a single stage taxation. Sample worksheet, serial number, previous rate of tax, value of stock declared on 31st December 2013, value of stock declared on 28th February 2014, total stock declared, value of stock sold out of the stock as in column 5, closing stock as on 31st March 2014, tax liability. In this case, tax liability equals to value of stock mentioned in column 6 minus value of stock mentioned in column 5 multiplied by tax rate. Note, if the tax liability is negative, then it will be treated as nil and it will not be added in the output tax liability. If the tax liability is positive, then it will be added in the output tax liability. Hope the presentation is useful for you. Your feedback is valuable for us. Please contact us on mentioned mail ID or phone number. For more video related to Punjab VAT, watch a playlist related to Punjab VAT. For regular update analysis, subscribe our YouTube channel.